Hi everybody, this is Kent Kaufman here with BigYield.us, and here I am with Michael Erdman, a expert in humates, and so I'm going to ask him a couple questions to flesh out some of the background information to our dinosaur dirt and our humate line. What are the best amounts to put on of your humates as far as in a liquid or in a solid? How much should you put onto your crops?
Okay, a program, when you're looking at a program, typically, we look at a 3-year program to implement into a grower. You start out at prime the soil with about 200 pounds of raw ore per acre in the fall, and then you can supplement with your liquids, whether mixed with UAN or starters with in-furrow treatments or banding applications with UAN solutions to kind of supplement that soluble carbon gradient in your soil. And then in the fall, you can get into residue management with a liquid program or a dry program to kind of maintain after you get your soils primed with that 200 pounds. Maintenance programs would be anywhere from like 100 to 150 into 175 as you get further into the program. Liquid programs consist of anywhere from a half a gallon to a gallon and a half to the acre with your per application.
And so how long will the humates stay in your soil? Like what's your time before you have to reapply, or as far as the results will start going down and things like that?
Well, sustainability is basically kind of a lifetime. It depends on the alkalinity of the soil, because alkalinity drives solubility of carbon, and humates, some carbons will leach out of the soil, but a raw ore, for example, after application will last from 6 months to a year and a half. Your liquid programs last from 30 to 60 days, and then you supplement after that. But that's kind of like the bar chart. Once you treat it, you're just maintaining that bar chart. It's a balance. I'm telling you what you put on and what's leaching.
All right. And so what have you seen as far as soils that have gotten the best responses to putting humates in it, from like sandy soils to loams to silts? What do you see the best response with? Do your recommendations really change a lot depending on those soils?
Okay. This kind of goes back to a soil test that's being developed right now called the Rick Haney test. Okay, and it's all about soluble carbon. And even if you got a high organic matter soil, if you got low soluble carbon, those soils will respond. It kind of depends on where your soluble carbon. But it is a fact that your low organic matter soils and your sandy soils do respond easier, because there is situations in the high organic matter soil where soluble carbon is kind of up in a kind of a healthy stage. So it's easy to get a response from sandy or low organic or timber type soils, but you can see the response too in a unhealthy high organic matter soil.
All right, everybody, I would like to thank Michael Erdman for speaking with us today about humates and all the wonderful things they do for your soil. So again, and I'm Kent Kaufman, checking off. Check us out at BigYield.us.